You are going to love the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.